Hello, good day. We are Group 3 and our persona is Hydrated Hero. I am Justin Dagiso and I will discuss the description of our target market. So Hydrated Hero, a competitive university student aged 17 to 25, excels in basketball, achieving both academic excellence as a scholar and a Dean's Lister, and for his sporting achievements as an MVP thanks to his dedication and perseverance. However, his hectic schedule makes it difficult for him to monitor his water intake carefully, so which could be harmful to his on and off court performance and well-being. Exercises involving high levels of intensity like basketball practices and games cause sweating and fluid loss, increasing the possibility of exhaustion and dehydration. Even though they know how important it is to stay hydrated, athletes frequently find it difficult to manage regular water consumption into their hectic schedules and intense workout plans. So the risk of over fatigue or dehydration arises without appropriate monitoring and reminders, which could affect performance and general health.
So, hello po, I am Pamela and I will be discussing the technology-based solution. So, since we are experiencing high heat index ngayong summer, this application will be essential especially to student athletes na madalas bilad sa araw and nagko-consume ng more energy than usual people. So, they needed more water intake to maintain their hydration and also to develop healthy hydration habits to adapt in their individual lifestyle, especially sa mga hindi mahilig uminom ng tubig or hindi nakaka-consume ng at least 8 glasses of water a day. So, our technology-based solution is to develop an application which is Hydrated Hero that focuses on the university students between the ages of 17 and to 25 years old, wherein it can monitor and remind the user's water consumption. So with that, matatrack ng application yung water intake ng user real-time to maintain hydration, with a feature to customize it based on user's experience with a goal of consuming at least 8 glasses of water per day.
I am Marlene de la Cruz and I will present our Hydrated Hero prototype. Ito po yung prototype ng app namin is Hydrated Hero, Stay Hydrated, Stay You. Then may dalawa po tayong button dito. Para po mag-move forward sa app is i-click po natin yung Let's Start. Then ito po yung second page ng prototype which is hihingin po yung credentials ni hero or ng certain athlete. Ang hihingin po yung nickname, yung gender, and yung weekly activity ng isang athlete. Then, for example po, si Hero, ang activity niya is heavy, 7 hours per week. Then, i-click po natin yan. Then, ilalagay po natin yung weight ni Hero. For example, is 55 kilograms. Then, next button. Ito po yung makikita sa third page ng prototype, which is yung daily goal ni Hero. Depende po dun sa activity niya and depende dun sa weight na nilagay niya. So, dahil si Hero ay may 7 hours per week na heavy exercise and may 55 kilograms, ang daily goal po ni Hero is 2,449 ml. Then next po is ang reminders. Halimbawa po, ang wake up time ni Hero is 7 a.m., ang sleeping time niya is 11 p.m., then ang reminder interval, which is ito po yung kung ilang hours or minutes yung pag-notif po kay Hero kung kailan siya iinom ng tubig. For example po is 1 hour and 30 minutes. So, every 1 hour and 30 minutes, may mag-notif kay Hero na kailangan niya nang uminom ng isang basong tubig. The next po is i-allow po yung notification para makareceive po ng notif. Then, ito po yung main screen ng app. So, ang remaining pa ni Hero is 2,499. Then, reminder niya is 1 hour and 30 minutes. So, pag nakiklik po yung button na to, mag-a-add po siya ng water intake ni Hero. Then, pwede pong pumili kung ano yung nainom niya dito. And pwede rin po siya maglagay ng specific water intake niya. Kung halimbawa, pag naklik niya yung 250 ml, since 250 ml yung ininom ni Hero, ang lalabas naman po sa screen is may 10% na siyang nainom within the day. Then, ang natitira na lang po is 2,249. Then, ang reminder is mababawasan po yan kada hour. Then, may tatlo po tayong button dito which is yung reminders. Pwede niya pong maiba yung wake up time niya and yung time interval. Then yung water intake niya po, meron po siyang record within the day or within the week. Then, ang settings naman is, pwede niya ma-change yung name niya and pwede niya makita or mabago yung mga nandito sa settings. Then, for notification po, ang makikita po ni Hero pag nag-notif na po sa kanya is this page po. Ayan. Hi Hero, it's 8:30 a.m. A perfect time to top up your hydration. So, every mamimit na po yung time or times up na is ganito po yung matatanggap na notification. So, pagka-click po ng thanks, babalik po sa app, then mag-add po ng another 250 ml or any ml na ininom ni Hero or ng athlete within that time. Then, for example po is 250 ml. Ayan. Magtatap up po ulit yung water intake ni Hero. Then, every minutes po or hour is meron pong pop-up notification kay Hero or sa certain athlete para po ma-remind na every time kailangan pong uminom para po makumpleto 8 glasses of water a day to maintain and to reach po the hydration goal. Yun lamang po. Thank you.